Adventures of Yurika. Making curry. Hello everyone. Curry is very popular in Japan. It's very popular in many countries. I love to eat it for my dinner. Ray does too. He says it's delicious. He likes hot and spicy food. Charlie likes the smell, but he can't eat curry. Never mind. I make it in a big pot. I put in onion, carrot, beef, and potato. Oh, and 2 curry sauce cubes. I serve it with rice and pickles. I also make a salad. I'm hungry, so I want to eat it tonight. Questions. What is your favorite dinner? Do you like spicy food? What do you want to eat tonight? I'll be back with another adventure soon. See you!